It's a cloudy start to this Thursday along the west coast of South Africa as the second of two cold fronts pass through in the early morning hours. Rain mainly for the first part of today. We're not expecting the rain to spread to the Eastern Cape. It's going to be a lovely, fine and warm afternoon, especially in the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal. But with the third cold front on its way, it's going to remain fairly cloudy and cold over the western parts of South Africa. The South African Weather Service issued an advisory for rough seas today between Lambert's Bay and Plettenberg Bay. Wave heights are likely to exceed 4 meters. As far as rain is concerned, there's a 60% chance mainly for the morning hours along the southwest coast and the adjacent interior. Rain also likely along the western escarpment and in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas initially. Now let's take a look at the temperatures for today. It's going to be a cold day on the western high ground, 15 degrees in Springbok, 12 in Sutherland, Cape Town with a maximum of only 16. Warm weather along the Wild Coast in the Eastern Cape, East London with a high of 23, 28 degrees over the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal and Richards Bay, Mbombela at 25 and Pretoria warming up to a maximum of 22. Due to an approaching cold front, winds remain northwesterly along the west coast, speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour along the Namaqualand coastline with an open ocean swell of 3.5 meters, reaching 4.5 meters to the south of Lambert's Bay. It's going to be a breezy day along the southwest coast, rain mainly for the morning hours, wind speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour in Cape Agulhas, accompanied by rough seas with an open ocean swell of 4.5 meters. Along the southern Cape coastline, southwesterly winds become fresh, reaching speeds of 30 kilometers per hour in Jeffreys and Plettenberg Bay, Port Elizabeth with slightly stronger winds, and there's an open ocean swell of 4 meters, while low tide is expected at 12:08. For the east coast, lovely conditions, very light winds along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, offshore breeze for the Wild Coast and East London with fresh southwesterlies up to 30 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 2 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.